Multi-purpose mini mighty air mover, utility fan, dryer, blower with power, outlets and timer for restoration, cleaning, home and plumbing. Use 1/4 HP, 900 CFM, 3 speeds, 3 angles, red, small. Powerful. The LVYUANC2 is a powerful fan with an enclosed 1/4 HP, 900 CFM. Our little blower will blow cool air all the way to the second floor using just 2.1 amps on high. Great for cooling your shop, outdoor in the patio, or garage. Home cooling. Use our fans as floor or carpet dryer, or just circulate air from downstairs to upstairs. Our compact portable fan will keep your room cool in those summer heat waves. Comes with 3 speeds, 3 angles to control the amount of air you need. Portable and stackable. This unit is stackable and perfect for use in crawl spaces, cabinets, closets, or any other cramped area you may need to dry. Smart LCD display. Very convenient to display and easy to control the working status of the blower. Lightweight and portable, measures 12 x 10.8 x 12.6 and weighs only 11 pounds, 16 feet. Power cord with a built-in handle for convenient storage and transportation. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.